Today we're going to show how to speed up your Windows 10 for free and without using any software. So let's begin the quick tutorial. Stay tuned. Step number 1, Power Options. Just go to your Start menu and search Power Option. Now you will see the power options on the result. Just click on it. On the right side, click on Additional Power Settings. Then you will get to this Control Panel Power Option window. Here you can see my default power plan is set as balanced. Change it to High Performance. Now you can close the power option. Step number 2, Disable unwanted startup programs. For that first, you need to go to the Task Manager. Once you are at the Task Manager, go to Startup. And here you will see all the programs that start up automatically when your system starts. When you install a program in Windows, it may add a small program that runs when Windows starts. After installing a lot of software, you may experience your boot-up process could become slow. And this programs run on the system background forever, and it causes your system performance slow down. Identify them and apply this. And make sure do not disable your programs published by Microsoft Corporation, because maybe these programs running your Windows. And do not disable the antivirus too. That's it, we all done here. Now close the Task Manager and let's move on to some other things. Step number 3, Defragment and Optimize Drives. Again, go to the Start menu and search Defragment. And click on the Defragment and Optimize Drives. Now you will see this window. From here, you're going to want to select your system drive. Usually it is the C drive, so let's select C and click on Optimize. Now you can see your system drive is optimizing. Once it's finished, you can close this windows. Step number 4, Delete unnecessary temporary files. For that, head over to the Start menu and right-click on Windows icon. Then choose Run from here. Now type %temp% and click on OK. Now you will see this folder. Select everything in it and delete. Now close the folder, go to Run box again by right-clicking on the Windows icon and choose Run. Now type temp and click on OK. Now again, a folder will appear. Then select all the files in it, right-click and delete. Now again, go to Run, and this time let's type Prefetch. Now click on OK. Now click on Continue, and you're going to want to select everything and delete. After that, you can close the folder. Step number 5, Clean up memory. Go to your File Explorer, right-click on your system drive or C drive, or more specifically saying where your Windows 10 is installed, and choose Properties Form here. We are now on the General tab. Here you will see the Disk Cleanup option. Just click on it. After the scan finished, you will see this window. Now click on OK, and it will ask you, are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Click on OK. Don't worry, it will only delete the unnecessary files. And what this is doing right now is cleaning all the unnecessary files in your system. Now the cleaning process has been done. Now let's move on to the step number 6, Reduce Runtime Service. For that first, we want to open the Run box by right-clicking on the Windows icon and choose Run, and you want to type in msconfig, then click on OK, and you will see this. And from here, go to Service. Now you're going to want to check on this box, Hide all Microsoft services. That's really important. I don't want you to delete any important things accidentally. So make sure you tick this option. Now click on OK. To experience all these changes, you should want to restart your system. Let's restart a little bit later, because I have to show one more things to speed up your Windows 10. Stay tuned. Step number 7, Visual Effects. In this final step, we are going to show you how to disable your Windows 10 interface graphical performance to boost your system performance, and please note, it won't affect your gaming graphic or your program graphics. It will only reduce the graphics performance of your Windows 10 OS, for example. After you do this, you may feel lose in visual effects, but it will improve your system performance to the maximum level. Move on to your Start menu and search Control Panel, go to System Option, and on the right side, click on Advanced System Settings. Then you will get to this small window, and here you will find this Settings button under Performance, Visual Effects, processor scheduling, memory usage, and virtual memory. Just click on this Settings button and you will get to this Performance Options window. These settings is basically everything that make your Windows 10 looks beautiful, as well as these are the main things that uses your computer resource, like your RAM, processing power, and graphics as well. I only recommend this if you want the extreme performance that possible with your machine. So let's do it. Click on Adjust for Best Performance option, and you can see it will automatically uncheck all these settings. If you want, you can select some of the options that you can't live without. For example, in my case, I would like to tick this option, Show Shadows under Mouse Pointer. That's it. Once you're done editing, just click on Apply and OK. Now let's take a proper system restart. So that's how you can speed up your Windows 10. If you like this video, leave thumbs up. If want to watch more videos like this, always stay subscribed and show us the love by sharing this content. See you in the next one.